Yes. Hello, Jambo, Moi. It's me, Hilon underscore Kehi. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's yet another day that the Lord has given unto us. Thank you so much for being on board. Welcome. Let's explore this place. Today I'm in one of the places where there is some animals. And I'm here to share with you this experience. Let's see together all the animals which are here. Get to enjoy, get to see. Like behind me we have a monkey, and there are different kinds of monkeys. So come with me, let's see together, let's enjoy. I am coming live from Africa, Kenya, one of the animal orphanage. So let's enjoy, let's have a look. Behind there there is a monkey. Let me see if I can zoom it for you. Up there also we have some there, and then we have another one there and another one there. Let's have a look and get to see these things. We are coming live from Africa, Kenya, a city called Eldoret. You see, we have different kinds of chimpanzee up there. Let me show you. It's a bit cloudy, but I think you can see there. We have baboon animal. They're up there relaxing. They're not running up and down. You see, up there. Okay, yeah, there it is. Very smart one. Let's have a look. A very smart place. And here we have a hole. Is it a hole? This kind of pad. Have a look at that. It's just relaxing there. And then we have a peacock. There is a peacock here, very smart one. Very nice color. You see? Let me take it clearly. Tausi. And there are a variety of them. This one is the one which opens its wings. We have different kinds of them. I guess this one is the female, the other one is the male, and these ones are called peacock. It has the incubation, lifespan, weight, habitat. Eldoret Animal Santuary. Very beautiful color. Very beautiful color. Let's experience these things together. Let's enjoy these things together. I am here to show you. Enjoy seeing the animals. So let's continue and see. We have a lot of tortoise. See, they are moving around. I don't know if you can see them. We have another one coming here. Tortoise. Wow, very clear picture. You see, there it is. Let's explore this place together. Let's get to see these animals together. You see the way tortoise is coming. Slowly but sure. Slow but sure. And we have others there. The other one is going the other direction. Or is it coming? No, it's eating. They eat some leaves. You see? It's slow but sure. Very clear picture. Be on board. Let's explore together. Let's go and see. We have a number of them. You see there? We have a number of tortoise. Let's see what's the name of the species. The name of the species is leopard tortoise. Mse kope in Kiswahili. We have small one going there. Small one going up there. Very smart. So, a very nice place. And we have some houses, old houses there. Let's see here. What do we have? African gray parrot. They are named very well. They have very nice names. See? Woo. This one is not a parrot. This one is a guinea fowl. Then I'll show you a parrot. That one there is a guinea fowl. And here it is. Guinea fowl. This one. And there are some here. Some there. And then we have a African gray parrot. We have it there. It is starting to rain. Woohoo. Quite unfortunate. It is starting to rain. Let's see what we will see and what we will not see. Let's hope the rain will not chase us away. Be on board. Let's explore this place. I'm here to encourage you, to bring you new things which you'll be able to enjoy. Let's see what can we find here. It says that don't throw stones away. Don't throw stones on the animals. What can we see here? Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo. You see? A crocodile. You see? Crocodile. I don't know if you can see. It's there. Crocodile. And then we have here Money lizard. Money lizard. Hey, for those people who have fear, I'm sorry for you. See, there we have a money lizard. Enjoying the sun. And inside here, inside the water, we have msekope. Inside the waters. Woo, woo, woo. Wow, let's continue going. Behind there's a very big crocodile. Let's go and see if we can see the head of the crocodile. That one is crocodile which was basking in the sun. Up there. A very smart place. Let's get to see. We have some chicken. This place has grown very well. We have some chicken there. The chicken. Smart. Wow. Let's enjoy this place. Remember to be on board until the end so that you can get to see different kinds. I even understand there are some snakes. So, the rain has just come and I don't know. Let's see how we will maneuver through. Maneuver through this place. Very green place. Green place. In this building here, I don't know what is inside. Let's go and explore. It's raining, but I'm here to show you these things. Here inside we have a snake park. Snake park. All this building. Let's go and see the snakes. Be ready. Eldoret Animal Santuary. Black mamba is here. Black mamba, if you can see. It's up here. Woo, the snake. The goodness is that they have a very strong class here. It cannot penetrate through, but there it is. If you are afraid of snakes, let's continue seeing different kinds of snakes. Another one is there. All alone. This one is called black cobra. Black cobra is here. This is Kenya, Africa. Like Africa, Kenya. Black cobra. Then we have another one. We have another one here. It's raining, but we have black-legged spitting cobra. Yeah. Let's wipe the camera. It's a bit dark. You see? There. Woo! A very nice place to come and see these things. Another one is there. Different kinds. This one, the name of this one is also black mamba. Let me zoom for you. There it is. A very long one. Woo. And another one is sleeping. Two of them are sleeping there. Two of them are sleeping there. Yee. If the air is asked to stand, I am here. Another one is here. This one is called forest cobra, black cobra, but a big one, a large one. You see, black in color. Will you be able to sleep today, or you will jump out of the bed? Will you be able to sleep today, or you will jump out of the bed? Let's see. Let's continue seeing. Black cobra. Then another one. This one is dark. We don't have anything. Let's continue going this other side. A very big one. So poisonous.
You're very poisonous. 7 minutes.
Huh? You are that one. Very poisonous. 7 minutes. You are dying. We don't have the name. What's the name?
Rhinoceros viper.
Huh?
These are the horns. There are some horns.
Ah, yeah. It has some horns. Let's see. Let's zoom it for you. Is it very dangerous?
Any snake one is triangular. The head is triangular.
Any snake with the head is triangular. It's very poisonous. We are hearing it from the people who are professionals. Okay.
And the most colorful ones.
And the most colorful
See
ones.
the color now?
Let's see the color. It's very colorful. They are very dangerous. So whenever you see a colorful snake, take care. Run away if you will be able to run. Okay. Here is another one. A very colorful one. And the head is triangle. You see? They say this one such as triangle heads are very dangerous. That one there. And the name is here. Adele. You see? Let's just wander here in the snake park. For those who are shy, I'm very sorry. But for those who are shy, I'm very sorry. Thank God we have a very big class here. Wow. They are very well secure there. You see, that's another one. And the name is brown horse snake. That's the name. Snake, snake, snake. Oh. Let's take a picture of this snake though. For me, I fear snakes, but let's continue going. The snakes are over, but here we have ostrich egg, very big one. Then we have a peacock egg. Then we have a guinea fowl egg, a tortoise egg, and the snake, egg of a snake. These ones are the ones who produces the animals. Or what? The bird, the snake, tortoise, guinea fowl, peacock, and ostrich. Ostrich has a very big eggs. Inside there we have two rock python, very huge ones. They are now inside the rock because it's raining. But when it's morning hours, I hear that they come and pass in the sun. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, they are very huge. Boy, center. At the far end there we have an ostrich. You see? A very big ostrich there. And a small animal. Let's see the pictures. The names, I mean. You see? There we have an ostrich and said, do not go beyond the barrier. They are very much secured. Ostrich. That's the name, ostrich. And inside there also we have a gray ducker. You see? There. The one which is moving there. Very smart place. It's worth coming and visit. Welcome. Let's see. What's the name of this one now? Even I don't remember the name. Hey, comment down below. What is the name? They are very smart. Ngongonyat is okay. In my vernacular language is ngongonyat. They are found in this small forest here. Small place. It's an animal sanctuary. Very beautiful. Wow. Are you still around? Let's continue seeing these animals and get to experience new things in this life. Each and every time we need to explore. So behind here we have more of tausi. Let me show you. You see that one? When it opens those feathers, it's very smart. You see, they're very colorful. They are coming live from Africa, Kenya. See how beautiful it is. You cannot get one of the feathers. They're very smart. They also have some lions. They have traditional houses here. A Maasai house behind there. They have different kinds. And this one is a marakwet. You see? This is a marakwet. Long time ago they used to have this kind of houses. So they have constructed them here so that it can be used for educational purposes for students or for anyone who could like to come and see a traditional homestead. Before they used to have a kitchen. I guess that was the bigger house where we have sitting room and everything, and then this one was a store, gallery, small gallery, where they used to store some millet, sorghum, maize. This one, very beautiful place. Then there, let's go and see. This was a marakwet, and then let's go and see those small other houses. They have other houses here. The Nandi houses. These are the things which help to teach children how our people used to live. In some of the parts of Kenya, they still have this kind of houses. It depends with where a person comes from. And this place, they always bring some school students or pupils to come and learn and get to see the different kinds of culture. So let's see. You see, this one was a Nandi homestead, Highland Nilotes. Nandi are Highland Nilotes. And this is how it is. You see? Inside. Wow! It's very dark. There, they used to sleep somewhere. They used to have a fireplace. This one is the fireplace. Those ones were the beds. Maybe someone used to sleep there and there. And then this one was used for making grinding millet. So the journey continues. It really rained, and we are heading to the lions. These are the homesteads. They are very smart. Let's go and see this one. Which kind of tribe? In Kenya we have very many tribes. We have around 42 plus tribes. So this one is the Kikuyu from the central part of Kenya. Kikuyu homestead. Because each and every homestead are different kinds of them, of their structure. That's why they have assembled them here to come and show us this kind of homesteads. That one used to be a kitchen, a bigger house, and a gallery. Store for storing food and everything. Let's go and see these animals. What is the name of this? Hyena. It's running away. Hyenas are always very shy. Hyenas are very shy. There it is. There it is. Let's capture it. Hyena. You see? There it comes. Oh, they are very shy. Let's get to see the name. Rules and regulations. It has rained. You see the hyena, or let's see the name, the species. Spotted hyena. There it is. It's going up and down. I guess they always feed them. It's only one there. Let's go and see the other. A lion. Go this. Where is the lion? The lion is there. From which angle can I get to show you this thing? There we have a lion. Let me zoom it for you a bit. I wish the sun could be shining. It's not so much clear, but a glimpse of a lion seeing us there. And this one is the lioness. Lioness. They are very much secured. We have 2 layers of fence. You see? There it is. Lioness and the lion, the boss. The boss is there. Wow. You see? Let's continue exploring and seeing these places. Lions are very dangerous. You see? We have to be very careful also whenever we are going for an animal orphanage. Stay tuned. Let's continue exploring this place. Yes. They decided to go away. And then the lion seeing us there. Yes. Now I am sitting in the traditional bed. In the ancient times, they used to construct. Is it construct or make a bed using this kind of small sticks, and then they used to tie it using some wires or some ropes, sisal. So this one is the one they used to sleep on, and a fireplace there. So around here I have seen a small fireplace. Around the world I have seen that people have written their names. We also have Cho, someone has written there. Let me write Swami. Swami. Where can we write? Let me write here. Swami. Hey. How can I write this? Let me write here. Swami. One time when I come back, if they would not have made smear the walls, I will come and see. Swami, that is Finland. So let's continue exploring this place. Let's continue seeing new things, and stay tuned. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like the video. So stay tuned. Yes, a very clean environment, very wonderful environment, and they have a lot of water preservation, some tanks, because water is very essential. The environment is very clean, a very beautiful social tree. Is it a palm tree? And then we have some houses here also. It's a very beautiful place whereby you can come and explore yourself also. This one is a lure. The lures used to have this kind of houses. In some homesteads they still have this kind of houses also. Even the smearing of the house, which is something they used to do it a lot. Let's get to see the lure house. What can we see inside? It's just a round house, and people have written their names all over for memories. And then this one is a lure house. Inside, let's see. It's very dark. This one used to be the bed. Fireplace, traditional fireplace is here. And then they used to have a bed. Long time ago, I understand that all people used to sleep in one house. It's very dark there, so let me not take you there. Yes, let's continue exploring. I'm here to show you these things. Yes. So this place is called Eldoret Animal Santuary, and here they have given directions on what they have. For example, they have registration desk, fireplace, fire assembly place if fire arises, Then they have packing, they have lion, hyena. Hyena is the most shy animal. And then they have cheetah. I wish they used to have cheetah. And then they have a garden. Traditional houses, the Lua, the Nandi houses which I have shown you. They have some birds, primates, and then tortoise, snake park, crocodile, and monitor lizard. So this place is worth visiting. They have different kinds of things to come and see. The houses, the animals, the lion, and the snakes. They are very if you are shy, just come and see for yourself. And then from me here, I could like to end this video of mine by telling you that it's good to explore. It's good to get to know new places. Explore your area. What do you have around your area? What do you have that you could like to see? And be encouraged that by moving outside, you also refresh your mind. So please subscribe, please comment, please share, and stay tuned for more videos from here, Africa, Kenya. So from me, I'm saying thank you so much, and bye bye.